now. Holy crap! I don't know about this anymore. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh man, when this, oh my god. Thank god I came. What is literally in the snow? I'm on the stairs. Holy cow! Well, here's the car, Mom. The first thing I want to see is the lake. Can I get over there? Oh. Can I get over there? That's the thing. I am literally, oh. Glasses somewhat covered in snow. Barely see anything. Thank goodness I know this path. 1, 2. Oh god. Oh, I can walk more on this. I have to remember the freaking path is. I don't want to fall inside of a super. I'm just gonna take a quick peek. Holy crap, why is there a receipt in my pocket? No! They piled it up over there. It's gonna take me forever to get over there. I don't know. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, that's the river. I don't think I can get over there safely. So I'm just gonna go the other way around back towards home. Yeah. Oh. There's no wind. Oh no, my limbs. I should tuck the ski gloves. And my foot's cramped. Oh, perfect timing indeed. I have to be careful here. I don't want to fall down that hill. snow's up to my knees now. Only been 6 minutes. I'm already in trouble. Almost there. Oh. It's pretty out, but I can barely see it. For myself. Oh my gosh, it's in my eye. Oh god, I'm getting that little shock stuff. I have to go.